I want to talk to you about what is piloting. What are we talking about when we say piloting? What's this die that you're looking at in your press? That die makes something, and piloting typically is something in correlation to what's called a progressive die. So what piloting does is it gives you the ability to position your part every single time on that strip the same way. Something that my dad has said in the past is if you see this Sacagawea dollar, what would happen without piloting, just assuming that this was a progressive die, is you wouldn't be able to put that face right on center, right? So that part doesn't look the same way every time. Maybe the face would be over here. Maybe the face would be over here. And that's why piloting and setting up your pilot window is very important. It gives you the ability to do something consistently every single time.